Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an email campaign with MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account quickly. First, click on the Campaigns tab, then click on Create Campaign. Select Regular Campaign and fill in the required details such as the campaign name, contacts, and subject. After filling in all the details, click on Next, Content. Now, choose a template to design your email, and you'll enter the drag and drop editor. Design your email according to your needs, and once you're finished, click on Done Editing. Review your campaign before sending it, and after the review, you'll be able to send your email campaign. I'm also offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generated $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.